Have you been dreaming of mastering the art of permanent makeup but aren't sure if it's the right fit for you? Would you love the chance to try out the tattoo machine and see if you've got what it takes? If you said yes, then I have something special just for you. Don't miss our upcoming open house event. Your opportunity to tour our academy, meet the instructor, and discover the techniques that will shape your future. You'll get the chance to ask all your questions about our beginners program. Plus, you'll learn about our comprehensive curriculum designed to help you earn your state board license and launch your successful career. And that's not all. You'll get hands-on experience with the tattoo machine and feel the tools you'll use as a professional. Plus, enjoy delicious snacks, a champagne toast, and take home an exclusive gift bag. As a bonus, we'll be holding a raffle where you could win a discount for our upcoming class, an opportunity you won't want to miss. Best of all, participation is completely free. So, what are you waiting for? RSVP now using the link below. Seats are limited.